All right, guys, today we're gonna get cooking a beautiful dish, a beautiful piece of salmon. We're gonna do a citrus salmon on a cedar plank, a beautiful fillet with some lemons, oranges, and we're gonna put a little bit of glaze on there, a little bit of apricot pineapple. We're gonna roast some vegetables at the same time. We're gonna make an epic meal, real simple. When cooking with the cedar plank, make sure that you guys keep that plank nice and wet for an hour or two. I like to take the skin off. Some people don't, but I want it to get infused with the cedar flavor, and it's gonna be absolutely fantastic. So get ready, we're gonna throw this all in the oven, we're gonna put it together. All right. First thing we're gonna do is throw our vegetables in there. They're parboiled, little different color potatoes, some beautiful baby asparagus. We're gonna throw that in there. The fire is roaring very nicely. It's nice and hot. We're gonna let that cook about 4 or 5 minutes, and then we're gonna add our salmon. All right, let's take a look at our veggies. They've been cooking in about 10 minutes or so. Let's pick up the tray, and bring it over here. Oh yeah, asparagus, that beautiful color. Potatoes are looking really nice. And look at those guys. That's gonna go great with our incredible salmon dish. Look at the potatoes, they're even sticking to the steel. Beautiful, they are roasted. Life is good. All right. All right, now we got this beautiful salmon. It looks really, really good, and we're gonna throw it in now. The vegetables are roasting away. The fire is blazing, actually. And we're gonna cook this one a little bit away from the fire because we don't want our board catching on fire just yet. And that's it, looking good. All right, let's turn them over so they're cooking really good. Right from the oven. It's very hot. Let's keep it looking beautiful. Wow, that is looking absolutely amazing. Beautiful. Let's take a little peek at the salmon inside. Nice and flaky still. Yes. And slightly pink. Perfection. One more minute and I think we're good. Let's check on our veggies. Oh yeah, looking nice and roasted. Beautiful, right? One more color and there we go. Right off to the front. That's looking really good. I'm going to put this on a beautiful plate right here, and then I'm going to serve the family. You can eat it right off the plate. Wow, beautiful. Nice, okay. Well, all right, guys, now that was an amazing dish, and I just plated it all up. I don't want to drive you too wild with it, but take a look. You can put your potatoes, your asparagus, you can put everything there, and then put a little fresh dill. Salmon baked beautiful, it's still pink inside, and easy way to cook, and a wonderful meal. So love life and get cooking. All right.